Hello guys, it's Storm, and today we're gonna be showing you in this tutorial how to make an interlinked star. Just follow us. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the top plane and open up a sketch. We're gonna draw a pentagon. Then we go to Smart Dimension and set it to 15. We draw a center line. Then we draw another pentagon and set these two entities equal. Then we go to the front plane and open up a new sketch. We draw a center line from this point. And open Smart Dimension and take it to 15. We go out from the sketch and we go to Features, Reference Geometry. We set a new plane from these 3 points. We press OK. Then we open up sketch on plane number 1 and set normal 2. We draw a pentagon for construction and press OK. We make these 2 points coincident. And we are done here. We go out from this sketch. We set normal 2. Or we go out from this sketch and make 2 axes. Oh, it's plane. We select the center and the top plane. Now we have the first axe. The second axe will be from the plane 1 and this center point. Press OK. Now we make a point, an intersection point from the x1 and x2. We are done. We go to the front plane. And we draw an arc. Set it to 70. And then we go to surface and revoluted surface. We select axe number 1 and press OK. Now we're gonna go and draw the star. What we need is a circle for construction and set it to 50 or 50. It's 40. Then we draw an intersection link and the second center line here. We'll make this one for construction and go Smart Dimension and set it to 72. We'll go to Offset Entities and set it to 3 and reverse the right direction. Draw entities, draw a spline from here, and then we make the 2 tangent collinear to the lines and set the length of 14. It better be a continuous line, not two lines like this, to make the lofted pattern after that more good. We press OK, then go out from the sketch and go to trim surface and select the face we're gonna remove. Keep the start, then press OK. Like we made this new plane, make another plane and make an offset of 10 millimeters. Then press OK. To open plane number 3, we draw a sketch on it. We draw a circle for construction. We set the diameter to 13 and press OK. Normal 2, and we go to line construction. And we set the angle to 120. We go to offset entities, we select entities and set 3 as usual and press OK. We set lines for construction. We open a spline between both lines. Then this time we're gonna set tangent of 30 length. And we're gonna make it collinear too. We are done here. We draw a line, a continuous line like the previous time. Oh sorry, we set it to 6, not 67. Then we do the same thing and go to circular sketch pattern, select entities, and the center point gonna be our center for this pattern. We set to 3 repetition and press OK. Go out from the sketch and go to planar surface. We are good here. Now we go to insert feature, move and copy. Select the center of the axis, it's the axis number 1, and we press OK. Go to the top plane, open up sketch, make it normal 2, then we draw a line, construction line, and select an angle of 72. We are good here. Remove construction feature and press OK. We go to surface and trim surface. We select the surface we're gonna remove and press OK as we did. Then open up a new sketch on the planar face. Set normal 2. Then we're gonna do the same thing. We get out of the sketch, we go to surface, trim surface, select the surface we're gonna remove and press OK. Now we're gonna go to lofted surface. Because it's not continuous, it's gonna make problems. That's why we need continuous lines like this. We set tangent to face, we set both end and beginning. We set 3, then we press OK. Now we go to knit surface to make it one surface. And we press OK. Go to thicken feature and press 3mm and we are done. Then we go to features, choose shell feature, then press OK. It takes time to show preview. Three is not enough. We're gonna make 2. Then press OK. What we're gonna do next is to go to circular pattern. We should only select bodies, not features or faces. And select axe number 1, set it to 5 and press OK. And select bodies and press combine and we are done. Okay. We go now to insert feature, move and copy. We're gonna select the body. Select the edge that we're gonna copy from and set it to 120. We are good. We press OK. Now we go to circular pattern. Select the body. That's why I only recommend to select bodies. It's more easier. Sometimes it doesn't work when you select feature, then you try to move it and select bodies. That's why you're gonna make it from the first time and you select body. Now the half of the shape is done. The only thing that we're gonna do is to copy another time this shape, but before we do it, we should combine all this shape. We go to insert features, move and copy, but now we should combine it before we do anything else. go to features, move and copy, select the body and point number 1 into Z axis and press OK. We are done. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If yes, just share it, subscribe to the channel, and peace!